My beloved child, I am speaking to you today with a heart full of love, a love that stretches beyond the limits of understanding and fills the very core of your being. Know that I have been with you through every moment of your life, guiding you with my grace and covering you with my mercy. My voice is here now, a gentle whisper in your soul, to remind you that you are not alone in this journey. I have seen your struggles, your dreams, and your fears, and I know your heart. And even in times when you feel uncertain, I want you to know, my child, that I am always present, walking beside you. Blessings are already on their way to you, like a soft rain that falls from the heavens. They will touch your life in ways that you cannot yet imagine, bringing joy, renewal, and peace that will settle deeply in your soul. The weight you carry will be lightened, and the weariness you feel will be replaced with strength and clarity. Do not let doubt overshadow your hope. The plans I have for you, child, are far greater than anything you could envision. And they are coming at just the right moment. Trust in my timing, for I am always working behind the scenes to bring about the goodness I have promised. You are a cherished part of my plan, and I am delighted to see you grow and walk in the purpose I have set before you. Be still and know that I am with you, guiding you every step of the way. I see you, my precious child, where you are right now. I see your struggles, your pain, your desire to move forward, and the doubts that sometimes cloud your path. But let me assure you, there is no love greater than the love I have for you. You may be walking through a desert in your life right now, but hear me, there is a spring ahead, a place where you will find rest, joy, and purpose. Your circumstances are not the final story. With me, every chapter holds a possibility for renewal and growth. I am calling you today with an invitation that echoes deep within your soul, a call to embrace the blessings I have prepared for you, not with hesitation or fear, but with faith, joy, and humility. I want you to understand that the gifts I give are not always what the world expects, nor are they always grand in the way others may perceive them. They come in forms both simple and profound, often quiet and unseen, yet filled with the richest potential for transformation and growth. Do not dismiss them, my beloved child, for I have carefully crafted each one to nourish your spirit and guide your steps. In this world, many chase after visible success, wealth, and recognition, seeking after what seems obvious or grand. But I find great joy in the small, the quiet, and the humble, for these are the places where true greatness is born. There is beauty in simplicity, and within the seemingly unremarkable lies a treasure of divine purpose. I delight in these blessings, knowing the deep, lasting impact they will have on your life. Open your eyes, my dear one, to see beyond the surface, and open your heart to receive what I have set before you. The blessings I am sending are already on the way, ready to unfold in your life in ways that may surprise you. Seek my word, seek my presence, and you will recognize them clearly. The greatest gifts often come when you least expect them, and they're always wrapped in the love I have for you. Stay open, stay trusting, and you will see the unfolding of my divine plan in your life. The world may seem to value wealth, power, and prestige, but I, the Lord, value a heart that is humble, a spirit that is open to love, and a willingness to forgive. In the quiet moments of your life, when you think no one is watching, I am there, and I see you. And it is you, with your sincere heart, that I have chosen. You are not here by chance, your destiny was written before the foundation of the earth. I have chosen you, and I want you to know that you are deeply loved and uniquely gifted. This is not a coincidence. This is divine intention. Your purpose is eternal, my precious child, and though you may not fully see it now, I want you to know that I have already equipped you with everything you need for what lies ahead. Each step you take, though sometimes uncertain or unclear, is part of a divine journey I have carefully planned for you. Trust that the path you are walking, even when it feels difficult or confusing, is leading you to something greater, something far beyond what you can imagine at this moment. You are not walking this road alone. I am with you every step of the way, guiding, supporting, and strengthening you. There will be times in your journey when you may feel lost, overwhelmed, or unsure of your next step. It is in these moments of doubt that I invite you to draw near to me. Come to me with your heart open, bring your questions, your fears, and your uncertainties before me. Know that I am here, always ready to listen, always eager to comfort and guide you. When you seek me with a sincere heart, I will fill you with my peace, a peace that surpasses understanding, and I will provide you with the wisdom you need to navigate the challenges before you. Remember, my child, that every struggle, every trial, is an opportunity for growth. You will not face them alone, for I will lead you through them, step by step, and bring you to the place I have promised. My love for you is constant, and my plan for you is perfect. Trust in me, for I am your guide and your refuge. My promises to you are not empty. I understand the pain you carry, the questions that stir in your mind, and the burdens that weigh on your spirit. But trust me, my child, for I have already seen your needs. Even before you speak them, I know, and I am working in the heavenly realms, aligning everything for your good. I have already commanded that your blessings be on their way. Provision, freedom from debts, supernatural wisdom, and blessings crafted just for you and your family are coming. But above all, my love for you is the greatest gift of all. I loved you before you were born, and I will love you for all eternity. You may falter, and you may make mistakes, but I will never reject you. Your failures do not frighten me, and I do not love you any less because of them. What matters to me is the sincerity of your heart. When you come to me with a heart full of repentance and truth, I will pour out my blessings upon you, and you will be restored. I know that your heart desires not for material things, but for the protection and well-being of your family, for peace in your home, and for a life full of purpose. These are the desires I will fulfill. I will prepare you to be ready, for when the doors open, I want you to step through them without fear. Do not hesitate. Trust that I have prepared you for this moment, and I will continue to guide you as you walk in the light of my love. Even now, miracles are unfolding in the spiritual realm. New opportunities, new people, and new blessings are coming your way. Though you may not see it, I am moving. My timing is perfect, and I am never late. You may have called on me before, and I may not have come when you expected. But I assure you, I am always right on time. I have never left your side, and I am here with you now. I want you to rise up with courage, my beloved child, for you are not destined to live a life of fear, doubt, or despair. I have created you strong, resilient, and capable of overcoming anything that stands in your path. The giants that seem so large and imposing, the obstacles that appear impossible, they are no match for the strength I have placed within you. You are not defeated. You are more than a conqueror through me, and today is the day that you will rise above. The chains that have bound you, those chains of fear, regret, and past mistakes, are breaking today. You are free, and with that freedom comes a new beginning. From this moment forward, I will fill your heart with joy that cannot be taken away, and your soul will be bathed in my peace, which will guard you against all worries. The healing you have longed for is already here, flowing to you like a river of restoration. Do not let the doubts of yesterday, or the failures you've carried with you, hold you back any longer. They no longer have any power over you. Today is the day of your breakthrough. Stand firm in the truth of my promises, for I am with you, and together we will move forward into the victory I have prepared for you. Trust in my power to heal and restore every area of your life. The time for your freedom and your restoration is now. Your life is about to change. The struggles and challenges you face are coming to an end. I know that you have suffered, that you have shed tears in the darkness, but know that I am here, wiping away every tear. I am filling you with my peace, and I am pouring out healing upon you. The pain you have known will no longer be your companion. From this day forward, you will walk in faith, with joy and courage in your heart. Rise up, my beloved. Let your faith be the unshakable strength that carries you forward, no matter the challenges that may come. Let my word be the light that guides your steps, illuminating the path ahead and providing you with wisdom in every decision you make. Know this with all your heart: you are chosen for this moment, for this time. You are not here by accident, nor are you a mere bystander in the story of your life. You were born for greatness, and every day of your life will reflect the glory of my love and the purpose I have placed within you. Stand firm, my dear one, in the truth that I am with you. I will never leave you nor forsake you, no matter what trials may come your way. You are mine, and I have called you by name. When you face difficulties, know that I am right beside you, carrying you through the storm, holding you up when you feel weak, and lifting you to greater heights. You are my precious child, and I will not let you go. With each step you take, I will be there, guiding, protecting, and strengthening you. Trust in the truth of my presence in your life. Through every joy and every challenge, I am with you always. I will give you every ounce of strength you need to move forward. I know that you are weary, and I understand the struggles you face. But I also know that in you, I have placed the seed of victory. You will not be crushed by your circumstances. You will rise above them. My love will carry you through every trial and tribulation. The situation you face today is not your end. It is merely a chapter in a story that I am writing for you. Trust in my plans, for they are good. Know that you are loved, and I am watching over you. I have the final say in your life, and I have already declared that you are victorious. Today, I ask you to trust me, my beloved child. Trust in my promises, for they are unshakable and true. Let go of the worries and burdens that have been weighing you down, for they do not belong to you. Do not allow the enemy to steal your joy, for I have already overcome the world. I have given you peace that surpasses all understanding, and it is this peace that will guard your heart and mind. Stand firm, my child, and know that the victory is already yours. It is not a distant hope or a dream yet to be realized. It is a reality that I am unfolding before you. My blessings are already on their way to you, and they are coming in ways that you may not expect. The change you have been praying for is coming, and it will come swiftly and powerfully. Trust in my timing, for I know the right moment to bring forth the miracles that will transform your life. Hold on to hope, for the breakthrough you've been waiting for is near. Be still in my presence, and watch as I work all things together for your good. Keep your eyes on me, and know that I am orchestrating every detail of your life for your ultimate good and my eternal glory. I am with you always, and I will guide you into a future filled with hope and promise. Your destiny is in my hands, and nothing can separate you from my love. As you walk with me, I will open doors you never thought possible. Your life is about to be filled with blessings beyond your imagination. So today, my child, choose faith, choose joy, choose peace. The blessings I have promised are on their way. And as you walk in my light, remember that you are loved, you are chosen, and your best days are still ahead.